Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we review products that promise to enhance our daily routines. And today, we're diving into a game changer for your oral hygiene. If you're someone who values a fresh, clean mouth but struggles to find time for flossing, this could be your solution. We're taking a look at two Waterpik devices today: the Waterpik Cordless Advanced Water Flosser and the Waterpik Aquarius Water Flosser. Let's find out if these devices live up to the hype and if they're truly worth incorporating into your routine. But before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you never miss out on our honest reviews. Now let's talk about the Waterpik Cordless Advanced Water Flosser. This compact handheld water flosser is designed for those who need a more portable, on-the-go option. With a rechargeable battery and a microfiber travel bag included, it's the perfect fit for anyone with a busy lifestyle. It operates quietly, which is definitely a plus if you're like me and hate that loud buzzing sound from traditional flossers. The Waterpik Cordless Advanced features 3 pressure settings and 4 tips, giving you a personalized clean no matter your needs. It's easy to use, with a removable 7/0 reservoir that's dishwasher safe, and the USB magnetic charger means you can charge it wherever you are. I love that it's travel-friendly, with a global voltage option, so no matter where I go, I can keep my flossing game strong. On the other hand, the Waterpik Aquarius Water Flosser is more of a performance-focused device, built for those who want a deep clean without compromise. It's equipped with 10 pressure settings and offers a massage mode for gum stimulation, which I personally find very soothing. With a built-in timer and pacer, it helps you stay on track by making sure you're flossing for the full 90 seconds. It also has a large 22-ounce reservoir that allows for uninterrupted use, which is a huge convenience. I appreciate the sleek design with chrome accents, though it's not necessarily something that makes a difference in performance. It does look nice on the bathroom counter. The Aquarius Water Flosser is also perfect for those who want a bit more control and customization in their oral care. Testing both of these devices in real-world conditions, I found both to be effective, but they cater to different needs. The Cordless Advanced is great for travel and quick cleans, while the Aquarius is perfect for a thorough, more luxurious flossing experience at home. As someone who is always on the go, the Cordless Advanced fits seamlessly into my routine, while the Aquarius offers a deeper clean that I'd use during my morning or evening care. When it comes to the pros and cons, let's start with the Cordless Advanced. Pros: it's compact, quiet, and highly portable. The 3 pressure settings offer variety, and I love the convenience of the removable reservoir. Cons: the water reservoir is smaller than the Aquarius, so you may need to refill it during use if you're doing a thorough clean. Also, the pressure settings, while customizable, aren't as strong as the Aquarius, so it may not be the best option for those with more specific flossing needs. As for the Aquarius, the pros include the strong customizable pressure settings, the large reservoir for continuous use, and the built-in timer for easy tracking. The cons? It's bulkier compared to the Cordless Advanced, and while it's perfect for home use, it's not as travel-friendly. In terms of value for money, the Cordless Advanced is reasonably priced for a portable, travel-friendly option, and the performance doesn't disappoint given its size. The Aquarius is a bit pricier, but considering the customizable pressure settings and large reservoir, it's a solid investment for anyone looking to elevate their oral care at home. If you're someone who prefers a deeper, more customizable clean, the Aquarius is well worth the price. I'd say if you're looking for alternatives, you might want to check out the Philips Sonicare Air Floss for a more budget-friendly yet effective option. But if you're willing to invest in your oral health, both Waterpik models bring something unique to the table. Now, before we wrap up, if this review has been helpful, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support means the world. And if you're itching to get one of these water flossers, the link is in the comments. When it comes to customer support, Waterpik has an excellent reputation for standing by its products. I've had some questions in the past, and their customer service has been responsive and helpful, so you can feel confident reaching out if you need assistance. So, to sum it up, If you're always on the go and want a travel-friendly, portable option, the Waterpik Cordless Advanced is perfect for you. However, if you're someone who's committed to a thorough, customizable flossing routine at home, the Waterpik Aquarius will serve you well with its advanced features and larger reservoir. Thank you so much for watching, and if you've used these products before, drop a comment below. Let's talk about your experience. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.